1960 for Ferrari 330 GT to Plus to Series 1. Price: $169,950. Location: Oregon. The Ferrari 330 GT2 to Series 1 1964 is a rare gem that perfectly captures the spirit of 1960s Grand Touring, combining performance, elegance, and heritage in one breathtaking package. Finished in the legendary Rosso Casa with a sophisticated cream interior, this car immediately stands out as a timeless icon designed for both speed and comfort. The design, penned by Pininfarina, reflects a golden era of automotive artistry. Its smooth curves, balanced proportions, and signature details create a presence that feels both powerful and refined. This early Series 1 example is especially desirable, featuring the iconic quad headlight configuration and triple side vents details that make it one of only 625 units ever produced in this form. The heart of this Ferrari lies in its numbers matching 4.0-liter Colombo V1 engine, a masterpiece of engineering that delivers smooth, thrilling power. Paired with a 4-speed manual transmission and overdrive, it offers a driving experience that is both engaging and authentic. With triple carburetors and 4-wheel disc brakes, the car showcases Ferrari's commitment to innovation and performance during its era. The interior is equally captivating, offering a blend of luxury and classic craftsmanship. Bucket seats, rear seating for passengers, and a wooden 3-spoke steering wheel create an environment that feels both sporty and comfortable. The Veglia instruments, chrome accents, and vintage switchgear all contribute to a nostalgic yet premium driving atmosphere that enthusiasts truly appreciate. The history of this car adds even more depth to its appeal. Having been under long-term ownership since 1979, it comes with original California documentation that tells a story of decades past. Although it is currently not in running condition due to extended storage, it presents an exciting opportunity for restoration, allowing its next owner to bring this classic back to life. The Ferrari legacy is built on passion, performance, and prestige, and this 330 GT2 Series 1 embodies all of those values. For collectors and enthusiasts, this is more than just a car. It's a rare opportunity to own and revive a piece of automotive history that continues to inspire generations around the world.